Mayam si video si Manipur top channel lagi update tawjabni aduga mayam si anawa form lae date 17 dagi lae ado offline da thajin gadabni CCT ko aduga form du download tawbu yare adu karama matam dane karama matam phaw thajin gadabo khot kadabo do loina harakke ha video si mayam skip tawdabdi yengbiyu haidi gyan ta da khot da yarsu khangningba aduga ama hek soibana mayam he form thajin bada dum bera kana reject la adi form submission tawdu complete oiba yade aduna ahan bada mayam si form la ise IB recruitment ko IB se mayam sen khangangani IB se intelligent bureau ko yamna smart oiba thabak ne officially ko yamna kanu oiba thabak ne si se aduga maigi vacancy se mayam 318 lae ACIO haibamne ASO haibamne adu atopa post ka karamba post no haibado mathang hairake adu karamba matam phaw thajin gadabna form do hai aduna singma maru oiba singko adu form information do kamaina tawi adu karamba address ta thagadabano tawninga gadi stabakse ko hai si intelligent bureau si kano yam smart oiba CID gumba adugumba thabak ne ado mayam ahan bada si sida suloina palle adu official website tiki mai kano so thuobane direct link do hapake mai PDF file format ta kano tawe si se officially notice oina thokre mai sigi vacancies ki matangda ado yam sang bako adu si samlak pa mai website ti yaw bisi si so in herake aduga maru oina ahen ba khangninga su ajigi PDF file do video sigi description da hapake aduga tum download torakan yengba yarni aduga mayam sige ahan bada ko she's a candidate who wish to serve in the intelligence bureau under the Ministry of Home Affairs have a chance to fulfill their dreams aduga mayamai vacancy se la ise da hire to ASO ko assistant security officer assistant central intelligence officer 1 ACIO officer level da atane mana si vacancy la ising se mayam ko aduga magi eligibility criteria adu educational qualifications na kari no hybrid su mathang hairake aduga ahan bada mayam sidasu adum palle mayam ko haidi sengo mayam candidates should have requisite experience and qualification in the concerned subject for applying to the post of ACIO, ASO and others. Haidi my experience amasung qualifications ama pirak tu ribisa makhala pirak tu sing se loina kanu oidubu gatne bako adu oidragadi apply tawurus kanadre aduga sigi offline process tane khoni apply tawdu si online tanati khoina maigi officially oiba maigi kanu pirakane headquarter aduda khoni apply tawdumne tu karamba headquarter do khoni apply tawdu si adu application form format no kamain tawbuno hadu direct ulaki du sumathang ko aduga masina haire apply to this post by sending application to the IB office within 60 days 17 April from the date of issue of the circular aduga sida haire numit humfuni gi manungda thajin gadamne hai my application se aduga haji geng asimyam thang ulake adu mai si pikin si last date si ma'am date 24 ko date 24 ma'am apply to we are dum date 24 last date ni kano to se sigi application thajin bese adu mai vacancy se ngasai samlak pa ani khatane haido vacancy this the pire deputy director technique adu 3 post ne senior accountant officer 2 post ne senior research officer 2 post and security officer technical 6 post deputy central intelligence officer technical telephone 1 post and assistant central intelligence officer executive 54 posts and a deputy central intelligence officer tech 7 posts and assistant security officer 12 posts and assistant security officer for general 10 posts and personal assistant 7 posts caretaker 4 posts, junior intelligence officer 2, tech 167 posts, and research assistant 2 posts, halwai cum cook 11 posts, accountant 26 posts, nursery orderly 2 posts, female staff nurse 1 post. aduga magi eligibility criteria sing sum hairagi ma'am sigi magi piriba vacancy se ma'am khena ba post ma'am pire si post sigi matung ina khena ba qualification ju pi ma'am roina aduga qualification gi matang du sida su loin haire deputy director bachelor degree in engineer BA or BA Text or BA Science Engineering awarded by a recognized university, senior accountant officer ki su haire mathang loin haire aduga direct ai si singse mayam su isa na apply tawdubani ne isa na dum pabiyu direct panabagi damakta direct official website te gi thokpa PDF file do adu link du ki format to adum ai si video si description da hapsarake mayam aduga adudugi mateng na mayam adum yengo gyan ta da khangda bi yarsu comment box adum hairo ko sida loin pire haidi adum mayam si maru oibse si ya maru oibne mayam haidi hana mun yengbiyo karama post apply tawningi no ai qualification du ko sana dabra do my qualification su loin pi bine ba adu qualification ga sana jari apply tawro ka sum kana de na du de adu sida pire do kamai tawna apply tawdino khotino hai bai su matang da aine su hai kre mayam my sida su pire my address de koina send tawdu ba se the joint deputy director Z Intelligence Bureau Ministry of Home Affairs 35 SP Mark Bapudam New Delhi 21 within 16 days 17 April from the date of insurance of the circular aduga I direct kano do hapagi sida my officially link pirak pada ko haidi PDF file official website gi I download tawraga thambabani adu hoju ulage ma'am ma'am si lere si direct link se dum hapsarake video si description da sini thokpa se aduga my gi vacancy wise ju sida loina pire mathang aduga loina mo salary scales ko salary gi matang na su salary kya sabo khotpa du gi matang na su loina pallabne sida nasan tana dum check tawzaro I hen ba khangning ga su aduga aina sida haining is na mayam kano gi matang da ngasai ki form submission through offline na tawdin na side the offline da kamai tawdino khotino adu habetang haigi ma'am aduga video sulu silage and yam sang do video se ko aduga sida loina yeng biar ma'am isa naktang yengo dum I direct link hapake description da sida aduga ahen basu semakhi ke ma'am video adi SSC MTS ki su lak to re form je ko mai gi su syllabus sem dari syllabus sem ani aduga sigi su haji kanola ani sigi su direct haji ki magi application format se ma'am sida application format an ulage sida me application format se biodata form deputation thai se name address ke loina sida irani hapani my form loina fill up tawdini sise download tawrobo ko print out photo ma'am sise adukan sida date of fill by the department of sida my masa manager ni nangi I get info to mailani aduga my address sida hapabani loina adu tranga sai ki address dum hapo address na sing sida loina masai dum yaujaramani ma'am adu masai ki address tu da ko adu akoina kano speed post thaduba aduga sida atopa kaigum amta sijinabiyu no ma'am sumnagi post office dum thabiyu nangnaba within 60 days I mean 2 months ne ma'am ko aduna hajik thajin biari form se that 24 April life yarang hini ada adu akuppa mron su loini ingbiro sida dum hena khangani ma'am aduga khangda biyar su comment box tang biro syllabus ki matang do su ma'am aduga video si sa tang sai lu silage sang dure ma'am aduga channel se ma'am ayambana thabakki kai gi update tawe si channel sida aduna haidi up to date thabak lakpa sing gi sidun ma'am khangani central gi oiba state gi oiba ko aduna anaoba oiragadi ma'am ai channel subscribe to biramo like to biramo amasung share to biyo dong friends sing da ko and thank you so much guys for watching the video and bye for now guys bye bye